We hope that you've enjoyed this quick start video series prepared by 3D Training Institute. The purpose of this video series was to give you a quick overview of the software to help you decide if you seriously want to pursue a career in the fast-paced and growing field of 3D. So if you enjoyed your experience working in the software and you're interested in learning more about what it takes to work professionally, then we invite you to attend one of our free live intro classes. In this class, we discuss such things as popular 3D industry trends. We take a look at our 3D training methodology. Here we even simulate a mock client project as a team together. Then we open up for a live Q&A session where you can get the answers to your questions, such as software choices or industry choices that may be best for you. So if you'd like to register for your free live online class, then we invite you to visit us at 3dtraining.com and register for a day and time that is convenient for you. From everyone here at 3dtraining.com, we thank you for your participation in this quick start video series, and we look forward to meeting you in an upcoming intro class.